You are going to love the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated steering wheel, automatic climate control, active grille shutters. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.